This 800 horsepower electric pickup will be faster than a Ferrari. Rivian Automotive's electric pickup and SUV will debut later this year at the LA Auto Show. Remember Rivian Automotive? We haven't heard about the electric startup company since it purchased a former Mitsubishi factory in Illinois last year, but now Rivian is preparing to enter the spotlight with the launch of a new electric truck that's faster than a Ferrari and more capable than a Tesla Model X. Depicted as an electric experience vehicle, the truck will touch base in two structures, a 5-traveler pickup and a 7-traveler SUV. Both will be appeared out of the blue at the LA Auto Show in November before entering Generation 1 year from now. As per Engadget, the electric pickup will be known as the A1T, while the SUV will be named the A1C. Rivian wants to dispatch the A1T in 2020, with the A1T to take after a year. While neither one of the models has been uncovered yet, Rivian's CEO Scaringe is making some intense cases. As indicated by the CEO, the AT1 will quicken from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, have the capacity to swim through 3.6 feet of water and have in excess of 14.1 crawls of ground leeway. He additionally said the truck will be stiffer than a supercar. There are just a couple of autos on the planet that will be as quick as our own, and we have an expansive 5-traveler truck, he said. Points of interest are as yet being settled. However, the base A1T will apparently cost around $50,000 and have a 80 kWh battery pack giving around 200 miles of range and be equipped for hitting 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The range-topping A1T, then again, could cost $90,000 and include a 800 horsepower electric engine. Rivian additionally asserts the range-topping model will have a scope of 450 miles on a solitary charge. No photographs of either demonstrate have been discharged yet. However, Engadget says the A1T resembles a vehicle out of the Halo computer game arrangement, so anticipate that it will look extraordinary. Obviously, its shape and size looks more like a Honda Ridgeline than a F-150, yet with forceful edges and enormous, blocky boards sitting on the 4 substantial tires. Scaringe isn't an enthusiast of the Tesla Model X either, calling it the minimum proficient SUV at any point made. All things considered, you wouldn't take a Model X for an exhausting rough terrain experience for the end of the week, yet the CEO needs to fill that void with Rivian's up-and-coming electric vehicles. #AWACHURAWAC #info Automotives